If you're using Calilio for your business phone needs, one of the must-have features is voicemail. It ensures you never miss important messages when you can't answer the phone. Let's quickly walk through how to set it up in just a few steps. First, head over to the Settings section of your Calilio app. Then, navigate to My Number Settings. From there, find the number you want to set up voicemail for. Once you've selected the number, look for the Audio and Voicemail option. Here, you can personalize your voicemail by setting a welcome voice message and ensuring that unanswered calls are automatically directed to voicemail. You'll then be prompted to select or record an audio message. You can either upload a pre-recorded message or record a new one directly in the app. And that's it. Your voicemail is now set up, so you can stay connected even when you can't pick up the phone. Don't forget to explore all the other great features Calilio offers to enhance your business communication. Calilio, the modern business phone system.